Good morning dear students. Now today we will discuss quantum numbers. What are quantum numbers? Quantum number is a set of four numbers which are known as principal quantum number, secondary quantum number, magnetic quantum number and spin quantum number, with the help of which we can get complete informations of electron in particular orbital or subshell. Okay, so first quantum number is principal quantum number. Its symbol is N. Principal quantum number explains size of atom, right? Number of energy level where electron is present, right? For example, this one is central part of atom which is positively charged and circular path which is known as orbit, right? But in subshell, this path is known as orbital. If electron is present in first orbit, then what is the value of principal quantum number? N is equal to 1. If electron is present in second orbit, then principal quantum number is equal to 2. Okay, size means radius of atom, like this, distance from central part of atom to this last valence shell. This radius decides size of an atom. Clear? Now significance. What is first significance of principal quantum number? We can calculate energy of orbit. You know, according to Bohr's concept, all orbits are stationary orbits. Energy of each orbit is fixed. According to this formula, En is equal to minus 2 pi square m e raised to the power 4 z square upon n square h square, right? Which term is principal quantum number? This n is principal quantum number. Okay children, if n is equal to 1 and you know this is constant, m constant, which is mass of electron, charge of electron. For hydrogen atom, atomic number is equal to 1. Planck constant 6.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 34 Joule second. Then we can calculate this energy of orbit, right? Now second is radius of orbit. Rn is equal to A naught n square upon z. Okay children, here A naught is constant term, this is constant term, this is principal quantum number and this is atomic number. For hydrogen atom, z is always equal to 1. So we can neglect this z term. But for hydrogen like species like helium plus, where only one electron is left, atomic number of helium is 2. After loss of one electron, only one electron is left. Then its z value is 2. Okay children, so this is second significance of principal quantum number. Next one is angular momentum. Next postulate of Bohr theory, mvr is equal to n into h upon h upon 2 pi. Mass of electron, velocity, radius of orbit, principal quantum number, Planck's constant, pi constant. We can calculate angular momentum of moving electron. Okay children, so first value of principal quantum number starts from 1, right? Then 2, then this is the increasing order of principal quantum number, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Which is also known as angular quantum number or secondary quantum number, right? Symbol of azimuthal quantum number, small n. Okay children, now which this azimuthal quantum number explains name of subshell in particular energy level where electron is present or electrons are present, right? So first is name of subshell. Subshell like S, P, D and F. All initials are coming from spectrum. S denotes sharp, P principal, D diffused and F fundamental. First value of L starts from 0, right? Next value 1, next value 2 and then 3. What is general formula for calculation of secondary quantum number or azimuthal quantum number? L is equal to n minus 1. Okay children? N denotes principal quantum number. If n is equal to 1, so what is first value of L? L is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Clear? Now if L is equal to 0, if L is equal to 0, it denotes S subshell. Okay children? Second, if N is equal to 2, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So what is second value of secondary quantum number or azimuthal quantum number is equal to 1. If L is equal to 1, it means electron is present in the orbital of P subshell. P subshell. After S, then P subshell comes. P subshell. Next value, if N is equal to 3. This is written for 2, this one for N is equal to 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Only for this third value of secondary quantum number, this 2 value denotes electron is present in third subshell, which is known as a D subshell. Right? Fourth possible secondary quantum number, value of secondary quantum number, if n is equal to 4, then L is equal to 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Only for this value. What is the name of subshell? F. L is equal to 3, it means electron is present in F subshell. Okay children? So what is the significance of azimuthal quantum number? Azimuthal quantum number explains name of subshell where electron is present or electrons are present. Now third quantum number is magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number explains direction of different orbitals along different axes. Quantum number, its symbol is small n, right? What happens? Any substance which is producing spectrum, any substance, for example NaCl, right, which is producing spectrum. What is observed in spectrometer? Arrangement of different lines, right? This arrangement of lines is also known as line spectrum. Okay children? If around the substance which is forming line spectrum, what is applied? Magnetic field is applied. Magnetic field is applied, then what is observed? Splitting of main line into fine lines, like this. What is the cause of further splitting of main line into fine lines? Presence of subshells. Okay, and within subshell presence of orbitals. Okay children, orbit means only circular path and orbital means arrange alignment of orbitals in some preferred directions. When field is applied, then what happens? Splitting of main energy levels or main lines into fine lines due to presence of orbitals. In case of S subshell, only one orbital is present. What is its shape? Spherical. There is no splitting of main line because only one subshell is present. In second line, splitting of main into one fine line. It denotes S and P. Okay, children. And what is the direction of P orbital? P subshell is divided into 3 orbitals. Division of P subshell into 3 orbitals, which are known as Px. First is X. This is X axis. So alignment of P orbital along X axis. Okay. What is the shape of P orbital? This is dumbbell shape. Right. Second is Py. This is Y axis. Alignment of P orbital along the Y axis. Third possible P orbital is Pz. Right. So this one is Z axis. This one is Z axis. Then alignment of P orbital along this Z axis. Then P orbital is known as Pz. Right? This P is written for orbital of P subshell and X, Y, Z for axis. Okay, children. So magnetic quantum number explains orientation of orbitals in some preferred directions. Preferred directions means X direction, Y and Z directions. One general formula is given for calculation of magnetic quantum number. As you know, its sequence number is 3rd. Right? Calculation of magnetic quantum number depends upon secondary quantum number. Which formula is given? 2n plus 1. Right? N is equal to 2n plus 1. L means secondary quantum number if L is equal to 0. As you know, first value of secondary quantum number is 0. If L is equal to 0, then substitute its value in this formula. 2 into 0 plus 1 is equal to only one value. 1 means first value, and what is first value of this magnetic quantum number is a 0. Right? It means when L is a 0, M is always 0. Why? You know, children, if L is equal to 0, it denotes S subshell. It denotes S subshell. Right? And magnetic quantum number denotes orbital. Right? So how many orbitals are present in S subshell? Only one. What is its first value? 0. Clear? Now second, if L is equal to 1, then how many values are obtained? If L is equal to 1, then how many values are obtained for magnetic quantum numbers? L is equal to 1. Right? Formula is 2n plus 1. Okay, children? Then 2 into 1 plus 1. Total, how many values? 3 values. Okay, children? And you know, if L is equal to 1, it denotes P subshell. P subshell. Right? And P subshell is divided into how many orbitals? 3 orbitals, which are known as Px, Py and Pz. Clear? What is first value of magnetic quantum number for orbitals of P subshell? First is minus 1. First value is minus 1. Then 0 and then plus 1. Total how many values? 1, 2, 3. Here negative and positive sign denotes orientation of orbital. Right? Electrons are negatively charged. But what about negative sign of orbital and positive sign? Only alignment. Right? This 0 always denotes alignment of orbital along Z axis. Okay, children? Now, for example, for this value, what is the value of this P? If Px, Py, Pz px, this -1 denotes px orbital, right? Px, possible value of px is equal to -1 and second possible value is +1. For py is equal to +1 or -1, but value of pz is always fixed, which is a 0, right? Pz is equal to 0. Okay children, now third possibility, if L is equal to 3, then 2L plus 1. One value is left. Second is 2. I would like to calculate if L is equal to 2, right? Then 2L plus 1. 2 into 2 plus 1. Total how many values are possible? 5 values. Okay children. As you know, magnetic quantum number indicates orientation or alignment of orbitals. And if L is equal to 2, then which subshell is present? D. And D subshell is divided into how many orbitals? 5. How many orbitals are present in D subshell? 5 orbitals are present, okay, which are known as D, x2, y2. Then second D, xy, D, yz, D, zx. Last one D, z square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, so these are possible D orbitals. All are present in N D subshell, right? Okay children, and last value of secondary quantum number, if L is equal to 3, then write here 3. 2 into 3 plus 1 is equal to 7, right? It means how many orbitals are present? 7 orbitals are present. But shapes of F, orbitals of F subshell are unknown, right? Now last quantum number is spin quantum number. Spin quantum number, right? Children, electron is charged particle, right? And magnitude of charge of electron is equal to -1.6 into 10 raised to the power -19 coulomb, right? So each electron acts as a small magnet. Each electron acts as a small magnet or tiny magnet. Okay children? If paired electrons are present, then what happens? Net magnetic moment is 0. Total magnetic moment is 0. Why? Because one electron spins in clockwise direction and second electron in anti-clockwise direction. So magnetic moment due to first electron, which is given as plus m, is cancelled by magnetic moment of second electron, because its direction of spinning is just opposite. Values are same, but directions of spinning are just opposite, so net magnetic moment is 0. This is the importance of spin quantum number. Knowing spinning of electron or electrons, we can predict magnetic property of any substance. If electrons are paired, then net magnetic moment is 0. Then this type of substance is known as dimagnetic substance. Di means 2 because electrons are paired. Clear? It means when external magnetic field is applied, this is a strong magnet. External magnetic field is applied, no interaction occurs between substance where paired electrons are present and applied magnetic field. So this type of magnetic property of any substance is known as dimagnetic property, right, or dimagnetic substance. Second condition, if only one electron is present, it means unpaired electron is present. Then spinning of electron occurs only in one direction. Second possibility, only one is present, so spinning of electron only in one direction, clockwise direction. Okay children? And if strong magnetic field is applied, then what happens? Interaction between two. Between two means this unpaired electron contains substance and applied magnetic field. So this type of magnetic property is known as paramagnetic property. Right? Now, any orbital, single orbital can accommodate maximum 2 electrons. Maximum 2 electrons, right? For example, in orbital of S subshell where only one orbital is present, how many spinning, how many electrons are possible? Maximum 2 electrons, right? In P subshell where 3 orbitals are present, what are possible values of spin quantum numbers? In case of P subshell where 3 orbitals are present, maximum possible values of spin quantum number 6. Right? This is half-headed arrow which is showing spinning of electron in clockwise direction, and second half-headed arrow in downward direction, it means spinning in the reverse direction. Okay children? So what is first value of spin quantum number of first electron? Then S is equal to plus half. Half means rotation in one direction, and spin quantum number for second electron within same orbital is equal to minus half. Right? Total 2 values are possible, not more than 2, because single orbital can accommodate maximum 2 electrons. Okay children? Now spin quantum number for electrons which are present in second p orbital of same subshell. Subshell is same but orbital number is second. And how many electrons? Same number of electrons. First possible value is plus half and second is minus half. Okay children? P, Z again same values, plus half, minus half. Right? The total spinning by 6 times. It means 3 electrons spin in clockwise direction and remaining 3 electrons in anti-clockwise direction. So this is the advantage, this is the significance of spin quantum number. We can predict magnetic property of any substance. Okay children? Calculation of mu also. Second significance. Calculation of mu due to spin of electron. Mu, it means magnetic moment. Magnetic moment, right? Calculation of magnetic moment is based on this formula, right? Which is given as mu s. What is mu s is equal to root square n plus 2, right? And here n denotes number of unpaired electrons. This formula is given only for calculation of paramagnetism. Paramagnetic moment is not die, because in case of die net magnetic moment is 0. If n is equal to 1, then 1 plus 2, it means root square of 3, and unit is Bm. Bm is Bohr magneton. Unit is Bohr magneton. Now children, some problems which are based on quantum numbers only. If principal quantum number is equal to 1, secondary quantum number is equal to 0, magnetic quantum number is equal to 0, spin quantum number is equal to plus half only, then what is the name of subshell? Which subshell is possible? As you know, principal quantum number indicates this is number of orbit. It means electron is present in first orbit. L is equal to 0, subshell is S. M is equal to 0, orbital of S. S is equal to plus half, only one electron is present in first orbit. Then what is subshell notation for this set of quantum numbers? Possible subshell is 1s1. 1 is written for this value. This is principal quantum number, and this s for this value of secondary quantum number, and only one orbital is present, right? And this 1 is written for number of electron. Okay children. Now second set of quantum numbers, if n is equal to 2 and l is equal to 1, right? M is equal to -1, right? And s is equal to plus minus half. Then write this subshell notation for this set of quantum numbers. 2, it means principal quantum number, and L is equal to 1 denotes P subshell. Clear? 2p. Here only one value of magnetic quantum number is written. -1, it means px or py, right? Only one orbital. And s is equal to plus minus half. What is maximum capacity of any orbital? To accommodate maximum 2 electrons. So how many electrons are present in this orbital of p subshell? Only 2 electrons. So this is subshell notation for this set of quantum number. Okay children. Next one, if n is equal to 3, l is equal to 0, l is equal to L is equal to 1, it means P subshell, and M is equal to 0, S is equal to plus minus half, N is equal to 3, it means third orbit, third energy level, L is equal to 1, it means P, right? And M is equal to 0, always P, Z orbital, right? How many electrons are present? 2, plus minus half, it means 2 electrons, or you can write plus half and minus half, like this. Maximum number of electrons in pz orbitals. Now second problem is based on opposite manner. Opposite manner means subshell is given and write down values of all 4 quantum numbers. 3d and 10, right? D subshell notation is given, not orbital of D subshell. So first principal quantum number n is equal to 3. First quantum number is principal quantum number. What is n value? N is equal to 3. And secondary quantum number, only for D subshell, L is equal to 2. Right children? M, which explains magnetic quantum number, it means which explains number of orbitals in D subshell. How many orbitals are present? 5, right? What are possible values for 3D subshell? First -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, right? And spin quantum number, what is maximum number of electron? 10. It means number of electrons in this D orbital plus minus half. Again plus minus half. In this plus minus half, plus minus half, plus minus half. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When double of 5 is 10. 5 electrons spin in which direction? Clockwise, and remaining 5 electrons in anti-clockwise direction.